How to add voiceover to your Canva presentation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you how you can add a voiceover to your Canva presentation. Super simple, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to have your presentation ready. Now that you have your presentation ready, you need to simply go ahead and in the left side you can see the several options. You need to go ahead and click on upload. From here you can see the two options that says upload files and record yourself. You need to go ahead and click on record yourself. Once you do that, here as you can see there's a pop-up menu that says your microphone is already being used by another application. So you need to make sure that all the applications that uses microphone are closed. Here I am recording this, so I won't be able to close the applications that is using my microphone. You need to ensure that you close all the applications that are using your microphone. Once you do that, you can see the record option. You need to simply go ahead and record your voiceover over here. And once you do that, you need to click on save and exit. And there you have it. You will be able to add voiceover to your Canva presentation just like that. But before that, make sure that you have given permissions to the Canva website. You need to simply go here, and from here, you need to give permissions to both camera and microphone. Once you do that, you can see this record option will turn red, and once it turns, you need to go ahead and press on it to record, and you will successfully add voiceover to your Canva presentation. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.